Hey, if you are juggling between website to find the perfect domain for your coaching business but don't know where to start, well, in this video under 1 minute, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do it. At first, we'll visit this website instantdomainsearch.com, and on the search box, we'll type our domain name or desired domain name like lifestyle coaching. And if the domain name appear in blue font, that's mean the domain is a premium domain. Like here you can see it's a couple $1,000 for the domain. And if the domain comes in like this, the green font, that's mean the domain is available and we can purchase it at a regular price. But if the domain is on red font, that means the domain is already taken. So after finding the domain availability, we'll go to this website namecheap.com. You can find the link in the description box or the comment section. Because if you visit the website by this link, you'll get a very special discount. So from here, we'll type again our domain name lifestylecoaching.com and click on search, and it will take some time to fetch the result and it will show us exactly the domain price. So be sure to visit this website by the link that I provided in the description box so that you can avail the discount. And from here we can add it to our cart and we can proceed to the regular purchase procedure and we can make the domain ours. See you in the next video. Take care.